Hey everyone, it's me, Allegra. I'm hopping on today to test out some new makeup 2024. The items that I'm going to be showing you today are from the drugstore. They are affordably priced, so what is better than that? And so I can't wait to show you everything. I do have a new eyeshadow palette, some new e.l.f. cosmetics, and a bunch more for us to try out. So let's go ahead and dive right in. So before we dive into testing out these new makeup products today, I am having a giveaway for a $25 Ulta gift card. So just be a subscriber to take part in today's giveaway. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video, and also comment #GlamFam down below so that I know you'd like to take part. I am putting together a bunch of bundles of great makeup items that I have, so be on the lookout for those giveaways in the future as well, because I'm going to try to do a giveaway every video. This is my plan, it's my goal. And also I would love to do more videos, and hopefully maybe I could get up to 5 days a week. I would love that, and have a giveaway every video. I don't see why not if I just do little bundles. I think that'd be really fun and a great way for everybody to get a prize. And so I'm going to try my best to do that. So anyway though, let's test out the things that I have for today. So I do have on my foundation already, and I do have this e.l.f. brow laminating gel to test out. So yes, brow laminating gel. Okay, let's go ahead. It looks like it has a brush on one end. I'm not really sure what is going on here. Okay, here is the product. Oh, okay, there you go. Okay, you got to pull it out like that. I don't know. It wasn't coming off at first. Okay, so don't blame me, guys. All right, so I guess first you're going to apply the gel, and then here is the brush. Has two different sides. One is a traditional kind of comb, and then one is bristle brushes. So I'm gonna go ahead, guys, and test it. Did you see my video the other day with the Milk Makeup, the new brow tubing brow gel? I mean, that stuff is amazing, but it is so powerful. So now I'm a little apprehensive about testing out brow products. But let me go ahead and get closer so you can see. Now this already just looks so beautiful. I can't believe it. This might be a great dupe, or actually drugstore better than high-end for that brow, for that milk brow product that they just came out with, because actually I feel like I like this better. Maybe because it's clear. I feel like it's so much easier to work with a clear brow gel than to work with the colored brow gels. It's just, you could just do it so much faster. Sometimes with the colored brow gels, you have to go back and clean things up. But look at that. That just did the most. And then you have the two brushes on the side to, you know, work everything into place. Oh, actually I see. Okay, so what you would probably want to do is use the comb side to comb the product through. Oh, this is beautiful. This is my first time using it, guys, so bear with me. This is flipping amazing. So I think what you want to do is take the comb. Look at that. The comb side is amazing. It just worked the product through my brow so beautifully. And then take the bristle side and maybe, yes, look at that. You can just kind of shape them into place. I'm going to let them dry, and then I'm just going to pencil in a little bit, I guess, but I don't even feel like I need it. I feel like, you know, everything is looking great just the way it is. But, you know, I have been using this new brow gel, brow growth serum that I got on Amazon. I think that's what grew my brows in, because I didn't have all these brows before. Like, who is she? Okay. Let's go ahead now, guys. I do have a new setting powder to test out, and I just saw this the other day at Ulta. This is from Morphe. Now, this might not be new, but they had it set up like it was something new. So it's called the Bake and Set. It's talc-free setting powder from Morphe. So we're going to test that out, but I also do have this beautiful looking eyeshadow palette. It's from Jason Wu. It's called the Flora 9. I believe there is more than one palette from Jason Wu. I did get this at CVS, so they had a beautiful display, and so it's what caught my eye, and I picked this up. So this one that I got is called the 01, and this is the Matte Agave. So I thought this reminded me kind of the Golden palette from Natasha Denona. I mean, it doesn't have the shimmers, but it does seem to have those beautiful matte golden tone or warm tone shades, nude tones that are just, you know, so beautiful. So now look at that, and it looks like it's a great size to travel with, and these shades look beautiful. So I'm going to test this out. I'm really excited, and this is also clean makeup. But let's go ahead and reach into this kind of mid-tone shade, and this palette actually might be called Sublime, because I was just looking on top, it says Sublime. So let's go ahead and try it. It looks like it might be really beautiful. I do have some foundation on my lids already, just whatever's on my face. And oh, okay, so this is warmer. It's very warm, but very creamy, very pigmented. I mean, look at that. It's so pigmented, so creamy. I hope you can see, but that was actually just one dip in, and I'm just doing both eyes with that one dip in. And I'm just gonna take one of these lighter neutral shades. Actually, are their names? No, I don't think they're names, but I'm just going to take one of these and just smooth that inwards, just sweeping it inwards. Wow, this is beautiful. I haven't tried the Kim Kardashian palette, but this seems like it might be in the same color family. It just reminds me of it. The packaging is beautiful, so it looks kind of like the Makeup by Mario palette, or you know, but a smaller version, or maybe the Kim Kardashian palette. But it's beautiful. Wow, this is performing just like any high-end palette, better than high-end palettes that I've tried. I'm just gonna sweep some under here, under my lower lashes. Now I'm just taking the deepest shade in the palette and I'm just gonna use it like a liner. So I'm just sweeping it inwards with a tiny pencil brush. This is seriously drugstore better than high-end. This will be great to travel with. Now I don't know which palette I want to bring with me, because I'm planning my makeup for when I go to California. But you know, this one is so small I can bring this with me. So definitely, this is right up there with the Natasha Denona. This is just absolutely gorgeous makeup. Wow, I gotta look up online and see if he has more products, Jason Wu. Yeah, I'm just taking the lightest shade and just sweeping it in just to get a nice blend. I feel like I have never seen, I think, you know, an affordable makeup product just absolutely so beautiful. And I'm just going to put on a little bit of liner. I just want to see how it looks. So I'm just going to put a little bit of this black eyeliner and I'm going to just smudge this out. Loving that. And now I have this new Maybelline mascara. This is called Firework mascara. I guess that's the name of it. The packaging is so beautiful. It definitely has, you know, it has this kind of indentation to it, so it feels really good in your hand. Beautiful starburst, I guess Firework on top. So beautiful. I love this packaging. So I'm just gonna curl my lashes really quick. And then here's the mascara. So very large up. I hope I got black. Oh yes, I did get black. Let's see. Already it looks amazing. Wow. Do you guys see that? That's just one application. Wow. This is seriously another product, drugstore better than high-end. This is amazing. I hope you guys can see. Now I do have very thin lashes. I don't have a lot of lashes. So for me to see a difference is just pretty monumental because, you know, I don't really have any lashes. So I hope you guys can see the difference. So I can see it in real life. Oh my goodness, this is amazing. I really can't believe it. There's really no need to probably buy any mascara at, you know, more expensive mascara. So I'm just going to put on some concealer and then I'm going to be back and oh, actually, no, before I put on the, I have this. Let me put on this first. This is new from Maybelline and this is called Sunkissed or Sunkisser. Let's see here, Sunkisser. This is a blush. So they have a lot of different shades to choose from. I do believe I got the lightest shade. So I did get the 01 shade. Let's go ahead and test it. I don't know. Ooh, so it's very peachy. I thought, actually, I was wondering why they were saying this was a blush, because in the packaging, I don't know why I thought it was more like a bronzer. But no, it definitely is a blush. And I thought it had shimmer in it, but it doesn't. So I'm really surprised because again, I thought it was like a bronzer and I was like, what? I thought, why are they calling that a blush? Oh, okay, I do see why now. It's definitely a blush. No shimmer. So beautiful. So radiant, actually, even on your skin. It gives you a beautiful glow. It looks almost like a oil. Kind of like a tinted oil of some kind. It's just gorgeous, actually. Put a little on my nose. This is blending into my skin like a dream. Wow. Oh my goodness, you guys. This is so stunning. You could probably put that on with your fingers because it's so creamy and serum-like. So you could probably put this on if you're at the beach and just want to do a quick, you know, give some color to your cheeks. I wonder if you could put that on your lips. I'm just going to try it on the lips because it's so beautiful. It feels so good on my skin. Wow. Yeah, look at that. You could put it on your lips. Let's see how it stays, but it feels very moisturizing, so it feels good. It feels really good on your skin. Wow. You guys, this is seriously, again, another one. Drugstore better than high-end. Wow, I'm just gonna, again, okay, now I'll put on a little bit of concealer and then we'll try this translucent setting powder. But I actually love the way my skin looks right now. Maybe I don't even need concealer. I don't even feel like I need it. But I better just put it on just for the sake of, you know, that's what I normally do. I feel like this would look so gorgeous right now with a little bit of lip oil. And the makeup looks pretty much, it looks beautiful, it looks done. I had some other products to test out, but I'm just like, wow, I actually think this looks so good, just like this. Should I put on some? I don't even know, guys. All right, okay, let me put on a little bit of concealer, just, you know, for the sake of doing my everyday routine, but I don't even feel like I need it. That was just a little bit of my Rare Beauty under eye brightener. Okay, so here is the Morphe. I'm just going to put a tiny bit of this on. So here's how this looks. Gorge. Definitely, you know, it doesn't really conceal. It's not doing concealing unless maybe I put it on with a powder poof. So just to test it out, I'm just going to take a little velour sponge and just to see if it gives more coverage with a little velour poof like this. So let's see how it works. Yeah, it does. Okay. Because usually I do apply the translucent setting powder with a poof and I get some coverage under my eyes. So this definitely, yeah, it did it now. So beauties, this is the finished look. I am so blown away by these makeup items that I picked up tonight. Oh my goodness, I am truly in shock right now because I just cannot believe how beautiful everything is. This Jason Wu eyeshadow palette, this e.l.f. brow laminating gel. Oh my goodness. Oh, this Maybelline blush is incredible. It's so beautiful. I can't believe it. I mean, I could not recommend any of these things I tried out today more. I'm literally in shock. These are also good. I had some more things to test out, but I'll be back and we'll test them out another day because I had some different lips, but I think this looks gorgeous as a lip. I just put some lip oil, some e.l.f. lip oil on top. Oh, the Morphe setting powder, beautiful. So could not recommend any of these items more. If you are looking for some new makeup, some summer makeup items, or just, you know, a peachy blush, a gorgeous eyeshadow palette, brow product, I think you would absolutely love these. And so I'll have everything linked down below with the shop with YouTube feature, and also I'll link everything down in the description for you beauties. So thank you so much for spending time with me today and testing out this new makeup 2024. And so that's pretty much it. So be on the lookout. I'll be back soon with some more testing out new makeup videos and just different beauty content. So make sure you also have notifications turned on so you see when I upload. So I hope you beauties are all doing good, and I'll see you very soon. Bye!